Well, we're in the room, and it's not big, but they do have a big bed. Really cool. And we're just gonna sit back. Hold on a second. Oh, I think I'm gonna like this bed. We'll see. But our friends will be here in about 10 minutes, and then we're gonna go walk around the ship. We're on our way to the mustard station. So over here is where we get checked in for if there's a problem on the ship. We're out here sitting in the lounge, looking at everything, getting ready to go eat. So we have a little bit more time before we get to go, but about 20 minutes. But so I finally got the hang of all this now, so it's really cool. But here we are with our friend. We just chilled out here. Say hi, Becky.
Hi, Becky.
Yeah, we're having fun out here. We're just all my friends out here. We're out here on the Carnival Radiance. Really enjoying ourselves, and we're getting ready for our first sunset, and I did not expect the sunset to go. But I want you to see it. It's really awesome. Let me get this going. Okay, so there you go. Look at that. Is that beautiful or what? Now, remembering, we've done this a lot, but we haven't done it for like 20 years. So it's just crazy to be out here. And we're looking not only at that, but look at this. This is a quiet deck. It's a little cold out here, but still, how amazing is this? So just to, again, tell you what we're doing, we're watching the sunset, we're enjoying it, and tomorrow we're leaving at 5. Maybe if we leave a little bit late, I'll be able to get some night shots. But right over there, if you can see it right over there, that area right there, that is Catalina, and that's where we're going tomorrow. Okay, so just wanted you to see it. So cool. Yeah, I think this is cute over here, right? 你们准备好了？去黄灯？
好，
好，我们去。
现在5点20。
Yeah， 可惜，我们看这个 app， 它说5点1刻。
哦，可以去了。
Yeah， 现在
可以。
我很高兴。啊，漂亮。
好漂亮啊！
漂亮！现在这个太阳在这，
晚霞。
这个太阳说，再见。
再见，接进去。哦，
Yeah, so we're over here playing golf. This is something that's really fun to do. Not a lot of people play games anymore on cruises, but we're having a great time. Now we're on the elevator. Yes, just us out here.
这个画都可以卖的对吧？它是卖的。
哦，对。
可以去卖对吧？
What's her name?
接够了吧？接够了吧？
Oh, E. She E.
What's E?
E is 1. So here we go.
Wait a minute, why are we going up?
Just
Oh, I thought we were in.
跟哪的产品？
here we go. Oh, 好。The spa just a piece. 好。See, 这个电影。对。电影。
Oh, it's to the tunnel. To the water slide.
Be careful. Just looking around. And it's not as cold as it was earlier. Well, as you can see, we're walking around up here at the top of the deck. How's it going? These guys really get pretty crazy with these towels, right? So let me show you a couple of them. It's really cool. Is that cool or what? Yeah. Look at, it's a whole animal. That's cool, huh? Yeah. It is cute, huh?
Oh, that's cute.
How fun. Oh, look. There's a crocodile. Or no, it's I don't know what it is. Looks like a turtle crocodile. There's a turtle. That's cool. So what do you think about that, guys?
It's too cute.
It's too cute.
Too cute.
Yeah, that's too cute. That's too cute. Oh, I love that. That's so cool.
Come on, let them hear ya.
Morning. We just woke up, had a good sleep, good, pretty comfortable, and now we're getting ready to eat. So I'm up here grabbing a table, make sure we have a table for 4, and they're online, and then I'll go get mine. So yeah, we're having a great time. Let me show you what the dining area looks like. And we're over here. Get out the window. We're on having a good time, waiting for our turn to go. We're gonna go on and just get a golf cart and go for a ride. But they're picking up everybody and taking them in. It's a little bit of a pain, but all right, we're getting ready to go into Avalon. We're gonna go to Catalina, and we're on the ferry. People behind me and our friends behind us. Over there. All right, so we're getting ready to go. Pretty excited about this. Gonna have some fun. Okay, woman chula. Ito eh.
Taunted me to take a chance into the harbor. I sailed one day.
Yeah, that was great. It's on the South American trip. When you get baptized with those Arctic Ocean or whatever.
All right. Nice.
Oh, 200、400。400，不要了。
Right, my turn.
Well, it's morning and I'm getting some exercise. What a beautiful, beautiful day it's going to be.